Hi guys, good morning! Welcome to Espanya! So guys, tomorrow I'm going to make live also here in TikTok at 11:30 in the morning in Spanish time. So I want to show you guys my little birds here. I have my little birds. Yeah. My birds now is already 47 pieces. Some of my husband friend give us a present. Only a couple of birds. The two. And then I feed them every day and give them a shower and give them food, and then after 2 years they provide me many eggs, many birds. Now they are all 47. And this one, the other day, the other week, I made a new bird's nest using the crop. So the other week I used my bottle from the laundry wash so as a bird's nest. So you look guys, they have now a baby bird, two eggs. They are now making another birds. They have two eggs now in the nest, and another crop that I am using from my kitchen. So the butter from the milk, the bottle from the milk. So I use it as a bird's nest. So I use there in one bottle. In one bottle, I make two bird's nests. So look guys, I made this. So they have, you look, they have another bird's eggs inside. So soon, my birds is already 50 pieces more. So they will produce another baby birds. So I'm happy. This is the way uh, my day makes me happy. Also, of course, my love, the love of my life. Tomorrow I will introduce to you guys. Okay. And then I made this is what my hobby every day, making things from the scrap from the kitchen. I plant a basil. You look guys. You look. See? So basil is good for health. So I'm using it also for my salad. Yeah. And then I plant every day, and I'm making things using the scrap from my kitchen to is the elephant. You see, I made this elephant base plant base. And then the other day I nearly finished my another elephant plant base here. Here, you look. Okay, you look. And then see you guys from the final resort of my elephant. Hope you enjoy the things that I am making every day. And I'm also giving inspiration to everybody. Hope you love it. And hope you can comment also and share my video. So, see you guys tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow maybe I'll teaching you how to prepare a Spanish food that I learned from my love. So now I'm living here in España. So welcome to España. To all my friends, my family, and my followers in TikTok. Hello, everybody. So guys, I'm only making live only once a year. Because before I'm too shy, really. I'm too shy to expose people, you know. I'm really too shy to expose people and talk live. So, I study every day I study every day how to talk and as normal as usual as I am. So, correct me guys if I'm wrong. Okay. So, tomorrow, maybe I'm going to swim tomorrow. Maybe I'm going to swim tomorrow before I teach you the Spanish food tomorrow. I learned it from my love. So, it's a surprise tomorrow what kind of food that I am preparing for you to teach how to cook it. Okay? I learned it from my love, the Spanish food. So, I'm jolly person, I'm happy person. So this is I am what I am. I love to sing too, but the song doesn't like me. Hi everybody. Good morning from Spain. Hi. I tell you something. You know my birds? The first name of my birds that my husband gave to them, the real mother and father of my birds, is Feliz and Ota. So Feliz and Ota is the first couple that I have from my little birds. And now they have a lot. So before I give them each one the name. But it's difficult to call them always each one of their name. So I prefer to call them only one name now. Aside from Feliz and Ota. So I call them now, every one of them, Tweety. So when I call them Tweety, every time I going to feed them, so they will answer to me, Tweety. So you see guys, Tweety. They answer me. And sometimes, especially in the morning when we woke up, because they are, you know, they are singing, they are happy. But sometimes when I make them silent, sometimes they hear me. So I said, shh. You see guys, they listen to me. What a surprise. Because they are so, when they are so happy, they are singing well, they are making noise. So when I say to them that be quiet, so I made like that. Sweetie, So guys, I have to go again. So see you tomorrow, okay? So maybe tomorrow we have more time. Okay? So see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe we can go together while I'm walking on the street. Okay. Bye, Rudy. See you later. Okay, guys. We're going. So maybe because the TikTok said it's minimum 30 minutes. So I have to stay within 30 minutes. Okay. So let's go, guys. So Viva España! I'm watching football and also my love. My love really love football. So you
Viva
see.
Suiza!
And oh, see, you hear that? My husband said, Viva Suiza too. Okay.
Viva Brazil!
Ah, yes, because he's also Brazilian, you know. So he loves really football. And the good things are Brazil has won and also Spain. So that is why he said, and also Swiss. So that is why he said, Viva España! Viva Brazil! Viva Suiza! No? My love, can I introduce you to all my friends?
No,
No?
tomorrow maybe.
Tomorrow. Okay, so guys,
Maybe.
tomorrow. Not sure, maybe. He said tomorrow, maybe.
We are in a hurry.
Yeah. So look, guys. Pretty woman walking down the street. Pretty woman. Assuming. Thank you. It's just joke. Why I cannot hear your voice if somebody are asking something or I cannot hear. I'm sorry. I forgot my headset.
Forgot what?
My headphone. That is why I didn't hear them. So we're going to the supermarket. So guys, hope you like all my video, my content. Yeah, I am now changing all my videos. I always now putting a nice message, nice inspiration, so that everyone was inspired. Can you comment, my friends? Can you comment what kind of inspiration that I can give to you about love, about family, about success, about hope? So this is what I'm going to say in my video. So just comment in all my videos so that I know what you guys want me to do. Walking exercise.
Wait.
Yeah. So, we are now guys walking. Because walking is the best exercise too. Yeah, to lose weight, as my husband said. To lose weight. Guys, I cannot answer to you. Because okay. So guys, give me heart, tap the screen, give me heart. That you like me. You look how big this cactus, you see? Oh. How old do you think this cactus is? So big. How old this cactus you think, guys? It's so big. You see? Behind me. Here's come the sun. Give me a heart. How you hold like this? So where is the other heart? I cannot make the whole heart because I'm holding my phone. Heart. Or like this. Heart. Yes. This is better. Heart like this. Hope guys you hear me well. Whew. So see you guys tomorrow for my another live video for teaching you. Either I'm going to swim or I'm teaching you how to prepare the Spanish food. But I think I prefer to teach you the Spanish food. Because this is my, for me, this is my specialty now. Preparing the Spanish food. Okay? So, see you guys tomorrow.
Come in my car.
Bye bye. Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Since I knew. Okay.